Hello guys, welcome back to Mpianga TV. Today guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make fried fish. What we need: flour, spices, eggs, and fish. Hake fish. Today I'm gonna fry hake fish. I clean my fish, make it nice, prepared. While you are doing this, let your oil be ready, guys. Your oil be ready. So we'll be frying fish today. Guys, I love you. Subscribe. Subscribe, guys. So I'll teach you. I'll start by putting my spice on my flour. By spicing my flour. Okay, guys, may I measure up? This is a fish spice. Spice for fish. Put it then, put my aromate. Aromate for taste. Then I add my own special spice. This spice is for chips, but I like it sometimes to mix it when I'm making my fish. So our flour will be ready. Then we mix our flour. Mix our flour. Mix our flour. Then our egg. Because when we start with our egg, then I'll just put a little aromat on my egg for taste. Aromat on my egg for taste. Then beat my egg. I'll beat my egg. Then guys, while I'm beating my egg, I'll make my stove to be on, my oil to be getting ready. My oil, I'll put my oil on the stove, so I'll be waiting for my oil to be ready. So guys, I like to add a little bit of milk on my egg. Add a little bit of milk. If you like, if you don't like, don't add it. So guys, subscribe as we make hake fish today. Subscribe, don't forget to get more videos on Mpianga TV. Subscribe. We'd like to hear from you. Thank you guys. So first of all, I'll put my fish on the egg. First dip it on the egg. Then after, put it on my flour. Hi guys, welcome back on Pianga TV. We're fried our fish. As I've told you today, we're making fried fish. I fried my hake, it's nice. I'm gonna eat it with chips today. As you have seen, Pianga was tasting it. Is the one was tasting it. So guys, subscribe. We would like to hear more from you guys. As I'm eating with green salad, chips, and fish. You can eat with rice, some people, whatever you like. So subscribe on Pianga TV. Bye guys, love you. See you next time.